Hey guys, instead of doing a TLO, I wanted to do a real quick rundown of how to make a remind. Remind is a great way that you can contact your parents or your students through either text messages or email. So if you're interested, keep watching this video. I'll show you how. So the first thing you do is you go to remind.com. It's formerly Remind 101. It is a system that's set up, it's based in, I believe, Tacoma, and it's set up just for teachers. So the next step after you go to remind.com, you click Teacher Sign Up. So what you'll do is you'll put in all of your information here. I'll just go ahead and do this. I believe it's most important to use your school identification because this is going to be your school account. So go ahead and do that. I actually already have an account, so I'm going to click out of this box, but you would just do the blue button that says Complete Sign Up. I'm going to go ahead and click Sign In here. Once you're in, it'll look like it'll look a lot more blank than this one does. But basically, on the left-hand side, what you see are these are your quote classes, if you will. If you're an elementary school teacher, you would have probably one class or maybe a separate class for maybe a parent group or separate parent groups that you might have. If you're a secondary teacher, you can do as many schools as you'd like. But you can see here that I have a district account and one for each school because the plan is eventually to have announcements go out for each school. But to start, what you'll do is you'll click Add a New Class. And you'll put in the class name. Okay, we'll call this one Test Class. And you can use any kind of unique class code you'd like. I'd make it as easy as possible, so I'm just going to call mine Test 1. Oh, code's already taken, so let's go Test 1, 2, 3. That one's taken too. So let's try Cochrane 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're good there. So we click Add. Then it will go to a page that shows you how to invite parents and students to join. Now this is something that you don't necessarily have to write down or anything right now because there's an option right here that says Download PDF. So if you go ahead and click Download PDF, it will give you an option to download a PDF so you can print it out and give it to your kids on the first day. The other option is to use a QR code. If your students have smartphones or your parents have smartphones, they can just scan this with a smartphone app, and there's a few apps here to download. Which the Remind app is actually pretty slick. I actually recommend if you have a smartphone and you're a teacher, the Remind app is an easy way to send messages on the go, still safe and secure that way. So once you're in your class, it's really easy to send a message. It looks like this. Remember, on the left-hand side, those are our classes. Now in the middle here, we have 2. Now if you have multiple classes, you might want to add some classes to this. So let's say that I want to send this also to Excel and Valley View. So I can send it to multiple classes at once, which makes it really simple if you want to send all of your class messages. So I just want to say hello, welcome to school. So options here, I can just click send and that'll send it right away. I actually like the option of scheduling what I'm going to send. So what I do is over here there's a little icon that is it looks like a little calendar. So go ahead and click on that and you can set when you'd like this to send. So I'm going to send this after school tomorrow. Well, that's 4 a.m., so let's go down to p.m. here. Okay, and then I can click schedule. Now, at 4 p.m. exactly, that message will send out to all of the people who are subscribed to your account. Now, a real easy way to do that, I mean, it's just simple. You just click schedule, and it says, okay, please verify subscribers. Okay, they're above 13. Save. And there you go. The next thing you can do is you can see your scheduled posts here, so you can see that one that we've scheduled is there. And then if you click send, I haven't sent any to this group, but you would see the messages that have already been sent, and it will show you who they've been sent to as well. Now, if you forget how to get people to your Remind account, you can click invite your class here, and it will pop up with the instructions again. Again, you can download the PDF there, or right here is your class code and the phone number that they need to call. That's a quick rundown of Remind. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me, jcochran@eberg.wednet.edu. Thanks.